Morning, students. Today we are going to start the ninth chapter, that is banking and finance services. And in this chapter we will also study about the functions of bank, how the finance plannings are made, and the what are the sources of finance. So everything will be covered in this chapter. First of all, we are going to discuss about the banks. So bank is a basically it is an institution uh, which purchase and sale, which is involved in the purchase and sale of the money. Okay, so basically bank they deal in the money, and they are also providing the credits to the customers. Okay, so basically you can say that the bank is a place of transaction of money. Okay, so there are different types of banks. So first of all, we are going to study about the saving banks. So in saving banks, a person deposits his surplus money in the saving bank and receives some interest on it, or it cultivates habit of saving money in society. So next is commercial banks. So commercial banks, they accept money from depositors and make the loan advances. So they operate in the difference between rate of interest on loans or deposits. And next is mixed banks. So the mixed banks, they undertake the function of commercial bank and saving bank. So next we have is cooperative banks. So cooperative banks, they are formed on cooperative principles, and they are supported by state or central governments. And cooperative banks, they can be classified as a primary credit society and district central bank. Next is state cooperative bank. So in this we are going to study about the land development banks. So in case of land developments, their ownership is owned they or the land development banks, they are owned by the state government. So the finance required to run the land development banks, it is partly satisfied by the state and partly by central government. So these banks are located at district places, and they provide loans to agriculture sector with minimum interest. Okay, so next we have is industrial banks. So these banks work for industrial sector. So they may be financed by government or private sector, and they provide long term or medium term loans to industries with higher rate of interest. So next we have is export import banks. So they assist exporters and importers, and they are financed by the governments and others, and they provide short term loans with higher rate of interest. So types of bank accounts are the following are the various types of bank account: saving bank account, current account, and fixed deposit account, and miscellaneous deposit account.